Hello friends, this is Tanusha in front of you. I will again welcome to my video, and today we will discuss about the lysosome. This is a very important part of the biology botany, and I will think that I will do my 100% from my side. I may give effort more than 100%. I also want to see in your side effort too, just like you only do like, share, subscribe and view my channel. And thank you. That's it, and let me start about this video. Okay. Lysosome. A lysosome is a membrane-bounded cell organism in the eukaryotic cell that contain digestive enzyme. Okay, a lysosome membrane is bound-like cell organelle which is eukaryotic and contain digestive enzyme. Ever you have not known about the eukaryotic cell and prokaryotic cell? Please comment down in comment box. I will explain what is eukaryotic cells and prokaryotic cells. Okay. Second point, produced by the Golgi apertures. Okay, produced by the Golgi aperture. Okay, if you don't know about the Golgi aperture, please comment down. I will explain what is Golgi aperture and these functions. Okay, contain like enzyme for digestion of carbohydrates, proteins, lipids and nucleic acid. Okay. Third point, acidic condition inside the lysosome are maintained by pumping of H plus ion. Fourth point, on the basis of morphology, there consist of functions. Lysosome are divided into 4 types. Okay, what is this? First is primary lysosome, contain inactive enzyme. It is inactive enzyme. Okay. Secondary lysosome is primary lysosome fused with pyosomes, contain active enzyme. Okay. Residual body, secondary lysosome containing undigested substance. Okay. Autophagous vacuoles are also called suicidal bag. It's in a unfavorable conditions, lysosome eats their own organelle, and that's why it's called a suicidal bag. They have a question arise, which of organism known as a suicidal bag? So answer is lysosome. Okay. And now we will discuss about vacuoles. Vacuoles is a membrane bound space found in the cytoplasm. It contains water, sap, excretory product and the other material not useful for the cell. They are also called sap vacuoles, which is called as sap vacuoles. Okay, let me discuss about the first point. In the plant cells, the vacuoles can occupy up to 90% of total volume of the cell. They are bounded by the single semi membrane called tonoplast. Okay, it is remember this, what is tonoplast. In middle of the chapter or a middle of the any paragraph, they have a question arises. Please read briefly and concentrated well, because any place any question arises. Okay. Types of vacuoles discussed about. Contractive vacuoles. Okay, in a amoeba it helps to in excretion. Okay, it's help in excretion. Food vacuoles, in many cells such as in protein foods, vacuoles are formed in engulfing of food particles. In this statement or word food vacuoles, it's clear about the food engulfing. Okay. Gas vacuole. This pseudo vacuoles I will ever discussed in any early video. They have discussed of pseudo means false. Okay, pseudo vacuoles. These are membrane-less vacuoles found in prokaryotics or to the provide buoyancy. Okay, I will again say you don't know about the prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Please comment down. I will briefly teach about the prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Please comment down. The hotspot we see orthokinesis in the presence of purple flower and beetroot. They are present in a just like a purple flowers, beetroots and etc. are the water soluble pigment found in a plant's cell vacuoles. Okay. See the figure of the lysosome, the small like patches like structure present, which is briefly as they are given, and you can see the dot like structure is lysosome, And that's it about this figure. There are no need to learn this figure because it only I will see you to remember what is lysosome. Thank you. And I will again want to say that please show your effort from your side because I will do my 100%. So I want to see your side of effort. So show me and I will feel glad. Thank you so much. Please show your effort. Okay, thank you, and like, share and subscribe and share your family, friends and others. Have a good day.